So here I have problem 3. So we have a word problem now. So this is something different. So it's actually not too bad once you just read it and just think about what it's asking. So for this problem, it says, on Saturday afternoon, Armand sent M text messages each hour for 5 hours, and Tyrone sent P text messages each hour for 4 hours. Which of the following represents the total number of messages sent by Armand and Tyrone on Saturday afternoon? So what we're going to do is we're going to find the total number of text messages that both of them sent. So how do we do that? So we're given that Armand sent M text messages each hour for 5 hours. So let's start with that first. So let's look at how many messages Armand sent over this period of time. So he sent M text messages each hour. So we know that for Armand, we have M text messages per hour that he's sending. And we know that he sent those text messages for a total of 5 hours. So his total amount is going to be M text messages per hour times 5 hours. So this is going to give the total amount of text messages that Armand sent. Now, what about Tyrone? So for Tyrone, he sent P text messages each hour for 4 hours. So he sent P messages per hour, and he did this for a total of 4 hours. So we multiply the rate P per hour times 4 hours. So it's going to give us the total amount of text messages that Tyrone sent for those 4 hours. So what we have to do now is we have to add these two quantities together because we want the total amount that both Armand and Tyrone sent on the Saturday afternoon. But first, we could actually cancel out the units here. So we have units of hours here. So we have hours in the numerator, hours in the denominator. So these just cancel out. And the same thing for Tyrone. We have hours in the numerator, hours in the denominator here. So they'll cancel out. So we have to add the amount from Armand, which is going to just now be 5M. We're going to have to add that quantity to the amount that Tyrone has. So Tyrone has 4 times P, so it's going to be 4P. So now we'll add the total here. So we'll add 5M from Armand and then 4P from Tyrone. And that's going to give us the total amount of text messages from both of them. So our answer is going to be choice C.